The family of an elderly man is seeking the public's assistance to find him. 83-year-old Freddie Green has been missing since May 23 after wandering off during a visit to the doctor with his wife. He has not been seen since.
He was left in the waiting area for her to return and so on. However, when she returned from the doctor's office, she realized he wasn't there. Somehow he went out on the sidewalk. We realized on a video footage that they got from the facility. We see him on the sidewalk, but we are not able to locate him any at all in Mandeville. We search Mandeville, Black River. Because we get called that he's in Black River, we get called that he's in Maypen. We go to Maypen Hospital, Maypen Police Station, Black River Police Station, Black River Search, Santa Cruz, Alligator Pond, but we are unable to locate him.
His daughter Sashley Green says he shows signs of memory loss. She's making an urgent appeal to the public to help find her father.
A difficult time in the Green family. Not children, wife, grandchildren, daughter, son, everyone, sisters and brothers. We are going through a very difficult period, and we are just asking for the public assistance in locating our father. The family is giving a compensation of $1,000 US in reward of his safe return. So the number to call is 876-463-0337.